YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Boss Kicks. I'm back with another banger. But before I get into that, I want to thank everybody who helped me achieve my 1,000 subscriber goal since my last video. I know it happened months ago, and I should have made a video then. I procrastinated a lot, as I know. So I didn't end up making a video, and now that I'm in front of the camera again, I wanted to thank y'all for helping me achieve my goal of 1,000 subscribers. I still look at it. It happened months ago, about 2 months ago now, and I still look at it, and I still don't believe that I hit 1,000 subscribers when knowing that I don't upload enough, to reach such milestone. But I'm extremely grateful for it. I couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys, y'all helped me get there, and y'all support me. Whether it is, liking, subscribing, commenting, buying some of my wristbands, which I still have a whole lot of. If y'all want to get one, let me know. Just hit me up on IG. I have this color. I call it the bread and the reverse bread, and this one, which is, I call it the flint. So I have the flint, the bread and reverse bread. Let me know if y'all want a wristband. I'm up on IG, and yeah, let's get back to this banger. So like I said, this is an OG. This is 3 out of 4. Shout out to my boy Rich Loves Kicks for letting me know that Finish Line website had these, because when I finally decided to get the shoe, I went through every website, through the apps. Everything was crashing. I went into Foot Locker, and they showed that I had my size. So every time I go to add it to cart, it will add the cart perfectly fine. But when I go to check out, it would tell me that I had more than one item in my cart, and it wasn't gonna allow me to. It wasn't allowing me to check out, because for some reason, supposedly I had more than one item, which I didn't. I just had the one shoe. So it kept giving me that error. So I tried for probably about a half an hour, and nothing was working. So then my boy Rich hit me up. He was like, "Yo, I tried Finish Line's website. Go to the website. They got sizes, and they're adding to cart." So I zoom over there, and I put the size. I log into my account first. I put in the size, and goes to cart. Go to checkout. Quick, and it came in yesterday, and I took pictures of it, so y'all should know what this is already. I took pictures. I put it on Instagram. I put it on here. I made a post, a community post, whatever it's called. So y'all should know what shoe it is at this point. But before we get to the shoe, Jordan Brand. Really? Another shoe? Another black box? Black boring ass box? Really? Like, we still doing this, Jordan Brand? Come on, man, do better. But anyway, label reads Jordan 3 Retro PS. Official colorways white, fire red, and black. Size 3Y. No suggested retail. All right there, bam. Taking the shoe out the box. This one here, this side, the specific shoe, has a little bit of damage control, but overall is alright. But yep, it is none other than the Fire Red 3s. beautiful shoe, an amazing shoe. Can't go wrong. It's damn near perfect, except for the little quality control issues. But other than that, this shoe is perfect. Starting off with the bottom as usual. We got the gray. We got the white here with the red Jordan. What's that? We got the gray. Got the white with the Jordan. We got this little red traction pop right here on the toe. Going up to the midsole. Got the all white front part of the midsole, and then in the back it goes into the red. Goes all the way around to this side, to the opposite side. That side. Then when over here we got the mud guard, and it's all the leather, all white leather upper. We got the red eyelets, and we got the gray up here, and the other part of the eyelet, in the middle part, the eyelets. We got the gray tongue halfway up, and then to the white with the red Jumpman. We got the all white laces. We got the red behind the tongue. We got an all gray sock liner with the red insole with the white Nike. We got the all white pool. We got the pool tab with the Nike. I don't get the Nike Air. I just get the Nike, which is fine. Nothing wrong with that. But my only gripe with the shoe, aside from the little quality control issues that it has, which are right there. I don't know if you're gonna see that, but I see that little white right here. I mean the little red paint right there. And then there was another one I saw. There was that one and one more. I think it was some glue stains somewhere along the uppers. But anyway, I can't see it. But look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that toe box? No tissue paper. No shoe tree. Which they don't normally do it. But damn. If y'all going something like that, at least put some damn tissue paper. At least like 2-3 little pieces of shoe paper. Throw them in there, just so they don't end up looking like that. But that's the same thing I experienced when I got my Armani 3s. I had the same toe crease, dent, whatever you want to call it. Well, it's not really crease, it's more of a dent. I had that same dent, and I could fix it, but I did with my Maneers. I put a couple pairs of socks in there, and it fixed itself out. But I could do that with these, but it's just like, damn, like, come on, man. Like, look at that. That looks horrible. But overall, it's a very wonderful shoe. It's beautiful. And like I said, this is 3 out of 4 OG colorways that I have. I also have the black cement, which is, in my opinion, the greatest Air Jordan 3 of all time. I also have the True Blues. Now these. In order for me, and my order, for the OG 3s, black cements number 1, the white cements number 2, these number 3, and the True Blues number 4. Hopefully they release the white cements sometime soon and the full family size, and I can grab those, so then I'll have the complete OG set of 3s. No lace swap on these. These are staying OG. I'm not lace swapping. Even though I've seen black, red, and it looks great. But no, I'm keeping the white. I'm not switching these. But yeah, like I said, this is a great shoe, beautiful shoe. I get Nike. I don't get the complete Nike Air, but it's fine. Not worried about it. At least I get Nike, so it's cool. Um, but yeah, as I know, I like to match my hat. I mean, my kicks with my hats. Give me half of these. I found a hat online, but I mean, I could do a lot. I could do. Yeah, I know I like to do baseball with my hat, with my sneakers for my hats. I was thinking Washington Nationals, or then I seen this crazy ass hat on For You Caps as a website. But the only problem is a white crown, and I'm not doing that. Ooh. So let me know about a hat for these. Um, but yeah, this is my pickup. Give it a quick 360 of them. Take a look at that. Nike one more time. I think it looks amazing. Yeah. Let me know what you think about my pickup. Let me know a hat to go with these. And follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put the link in the description. And yeah, until the next time. Peace.